one of the main reasons that a lawnmower won't start at the beginning of the season is because of fuel that's being left in the fuel tank and in the carburetor over winter. Just empty your fuel tank, pull off the fuel pipe at the bottom, drain your fuel tank, just drop the float bowl off and let the fuel out. Because as well as dirt and debris in the fuel, moisture is also a problem. Then obviously when you go and try and start the lawnmower, it's likely to suck some of that water into the engine. Another thing that can happen, because the lawnmower's been left for many months, and usually in cold, sometimes damp conditions, linkages and cables and things like that can start to seize. And that can prevent the choke from working or preventing the OPC lever or cable from activating. And another thing I do is just check the spark plug. I just remove the spark plug, have a look at the end. These are some of the most common reasons that I've found why a lawnmower won't start at the beginning of a season. They're not all reasons.